people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to show you guys how you can get your credit reports for free. And look, you guys, it's every week. You can get it online through April 2021. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comments and I'll make you a personalized video. Now let's go right on into the video. Let me show you guys the ups and downs, you know, the good and bad for getting your credit reports from annualcreditreport.com. Now, when it comes down to getting your credit reports, usually you can only get them for free. So every 12 months, unless you got denied for like say if you got denied for like a mortgage, say you tried to get a job, they denied you. At that point, you can get your credit reports too. You can get your credit reports for free. Now, when it comes down to going to the website, make sure you guys are going to Annual Credit Reports with a T. Like, don't put an S on there. Annualcreditreport.com. I used to put S on the S at the reports, but just make sure you guys put reports. Now, this is like the website that everybody, if you want to get it for free, you have to come here. Don't try to go anywhere else thinking they're going to be free and they're going to be like your full credit reports. So if you want to get your credit reports, just go ahead and click request your free credit reports. And what you're going to do is you're going to fill out their form and answer some questions. So these are the questions that they're going to ask you. They need your first and last name, your date of birth, social security number, and your address. And they're going to ask you, have you lived at this address for 2 or more years? You can put yes or no. If it's a no, then they want your previous address. Now, the reason why they want your previous address is because sometimes they look in the system. If your new address is not in there, they can use your old address. So go ahead and fill out all of this information. Now, after you fill out this information, they're going to have some questions for you to make sure that you are who you say you are. Now, they're going to be security questions. There should be about 3 of them, and you should have 3 of them per credit bureaus. So after you put in all your information, they verify who you are. They're going to send you to the Equifax. They're going to actually do Equifax, then they're going to do Experian, then they're going to do TransUnion. You're not going to get all of them together at once. You have to get all of them individually. And I suggest that you guys download it onto your computer and email it to yourself, you guys. That's like the best thing. If you ever want to keep something, and maybe you don't have like the cloud or anything like that, just email it to yourself, because it'll always bring your email from your sent to your received. You'll have it in there twice. Now, if you're working to fix your credit, you guys, I do not suggest that you guys get your credit reports from here. Now, listen, when you get your credit reports from this company here, like say if you go directly and get your credit reports this way, when you dispute items on your credit reports, they have 30 days to check to make sure that that item is definitely yours. So when I say you have 30 days to make sure that that item is definitely yours, after you get your credit reports for free, they no longer have 30 days. They have 45 days. But you see how right here the payment history changed for this client? The payment, it was removed. The missed payments was removed, and it made the credit score go up. If we got the annual credit reports, this might not have happened, because maybe they'll be able to verify that in 45 days, you guys. So you can see right here, student loans were deleted from the credit reports. And these are some results from credit cards my clients ain't got. But here's a student loan here, you guys. And I want to show you how you can get a copy of the credit reports that's going to have your last date of activity and last date of payment. But when you look and you want to see your accounts, this is what one of the accounts will look like, where all of your accounts should look similar to this when you get your credit reports from a different website. So let's go ahead and drop this down now, and then we'll come back to that. So let me show you the second website that you can get your credit reports from. And it's just $1 to start off. If you go right to Identity, it's called Identity IQ. If you go right to Identity IQ, they're going to charge you $29.99 per month. So if you go to the link that I have in the description, you're going to get your credit reports for just $1 and for 7 days. And then after that, it's going to be $21.99. So if you just want to see your credit reports because you want to see what's going on with it, or say you just want to get a copy of it, just get it for $1 first. And I suggest you guys always pay for your credit reports so that you can know what's going on with your credit and you can get alerts on what's going on with your credit. So I also have ways for you guys to get. So here goes some student loans right here. I have some ways so you guys can get your inquiries deleted, your late payments removed, and I have other things on my website, so go ahead and check it out. It's 750andupclub.com. I have it right in the description. And if you guys want to become an affiliate, say if you have friends and family that want to get these different things, you know you would get 25% of everything that your friends and family buy if you become an affiliate. Go ahead and look down in the description. I have the link so you guys can become an affiliate also. Now, here's some student loans I got deleted from my clients' credit reports, and also a collection too, IC System collection. So these accounts were actually deleted from the credit reports right here. In response to your dispute, remember, you guys have to send in disputes to the credit bureaus to get these accounts deleted. This item was deleted from your credit report. So definitely you guys go ahead and check it out. And here's a copy of the sample letter that I actually sent to the credit bureau. So you just put your name here, your address, your social security number, your date of birth, the name of the credit report agency, whether it's TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. And when you guys get my letters, I actually give you a copy of this too. I actually give you a copy of, I think it's like 8 different letters in there. It's 6 to 8 different letters that you can use to get items deleted from your credit reports. And also, too, I'll give you the information to the credit bureaus. What's their address? What's their name? What's their address? So you guys can just copy and paste it there. And you guys can keep this information here. Keep this information here. What I want you to change is this information down here. Name of the account. So go ahead and put your name of the account here. So say if it's the U.S. Department of Education, you can put it here. If it's IC System, put it here. If it's AmeriCollect, put it here. If it's AT&T, put it here. Portfolio Recovery, put it here. So any account that you have on your the credit bureaus that you want to get deleted, put it here. Make sure you guys put the account number here. And if you do not have the account number, then you can go ahead and just leave that blank because they'll know what you're talking about when you actually put the name of the account. And then you can leave this information here where it says not mine, no contract, not liable, unverifiable. Please delete and remove it from my credit report. You can go ahead and leave that there, or you can go ahead and change it and let them know, hey, the last date of my activity is inaccurate. And you guys can go ahead and change it how you want to. But when you buy my letters, I give you a detailed video on how to actually fill this out. So that's how you actually fill out that letter. And remember, if you have multiple accounts, you'll do 1, 2, and then you'll copy this and put 3, copy it 4, copy it 5. You'll just make more copies of it to put how many accounts you want to put on there. I always tell people, don't put more than 20 accounts, though. If you're going to dispute something, don't put more than 20 accounts. 10 is that sweet spot where I really don't want you, where I really don't want you to go over, but 20 is like, okay, listen, don't go past 20, seriously. Now, when it comes down to medical bills, you'll use the second row where it says HIPAA violation. So go ahead and check that out. You'll just use the second row that says HIPAA violation. And here is some inquiries that were deleted using my inquiry removal. So those were inquiries that got deleted. Here's a bankruptcy that was deleted from the credit reports, you guys. A public record removed from the credit reports. Here's some AmeriCollect that was removed. These are collection accounts that were removed from the credit reports. And here's a client that got multiple accounts removed from the credit reports, you guys. And look right here. My client had a $17,000 collection that was actually deleted from the credit bureaus, you guys. So, yep, these are multiple accounts that the client got deleted all the way down to late payments. Sometimes you may have so many late payments that you may just need to delete the whole account. So these are some accounts that the clients got deleted. And these are some results that I always use. Client went up 103 points all the way to 730. Client said, I have removed 20 inquiries off of the bureau so far since purchasing your method. Thanks for the help. So that is something that a client sent to the comments. They actually added to the comments. I literally just bought this an hour ago, and Experian just agreed to delete 5 inquiries. Calling Equifax next. Thank you so much. So definitely check out my methods on getting things removed from your credit reports. Missed payments removed from the credit reports. So these missed payments actually got removed from the credit reports. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to call or text me. My phone number is 833-Rickita, or this is actually the phone number if you want to call me without having a Rickita on there. Rickita, the phone number is 833-742-5482. And these are more Fed loan servicing that were removed from the credit reports. You guys can do this yourself, or I can help you. Just call or text me if you have any questions. One of my clients doing a shopping cart trick. They got $750, which is really good, you guys. Somebody got the Express credit card. So these are just some results, you guys. And we're back to that same account. So if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. And I look forward to talking to you all. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to become an affiliate.